When Jesus Christ was yet a child, he had a garden small and wild, wherein he cherished roses fair, and wove them into garlands there. Now once the summertime drew nigh, there came a troop of children by, and seeing roses on the tree, with shouts they plucked them merrily. Do you find roses in your hair? They cry in scorn to Jesus there. The boy said humbly, take, I pray, all but the naked thorns away. Then of their thorns they made a crown, and with fingers pressed it down, till all